Today we're replacing the battery in two older Stanley garage door remotes. Although the number of buttons is different, the battery replacement process is exactly the same for both models. Both transmitters use a standard 9-volt battery. You will not need a screwdriver because the metal visor clip can also be used to open the battery compartment. Start by sliding the visor clip completely off the back of the remote. Next, locate the small opening slot at the bottom of the casing. Insert the end of the visor clip into this slot and gently twist it. The battery cover should release and come off fairly easily. Use light pressure while opening it. These are older remotes, and the plastic casing may be more brittle than it was when the transmitter was new. Once the cover is removed, you will see the old 9-volt battery inside the compartment. Carefully pull the battery out. Hold the snap connector and disconnect it from the battery terminals. Avoid pulling directly on the wires, as this could damage the connection inside the remote. Take your new 9-volt battery and attach the snap connector to the matching terminals. The connector only fits properly in one direction, so do not force it. Place the new battery back inside the battery compartment. Before closing the cover, make sure the wires are positioned completely inside the casing. They should not be sticking out or resting along the edge where they could become pinched. Align the battery cover with the remote and press it firmly into place until you hear it click. Slide the visor clip back onto the remote. Finally, press one of the buttons and check the indicator light. That's it! The battery replacement is complete. Stick around to see the original programming and operating instructions that came with the remote.